Ito yung laging tinatanong sa akin, paano ko ginawa na from zero income to eventually earning 1 million pesos per month at the age of 28. And today, bilang pa-thank you ko sa inyo, meron na ulit tayong 100 pesos giveaway every video. At dalawa ang pwedeng manalo. So, simple lang sumali. Comment mo lang yung makikita mong hashtag word dito sa video na ito. And from there, pipili tayo ng 2 random winners. At ipopost ko yung mga nanalo dun sa pin comment ng next video. So, walang bayad yan. Wala kayong kailangang bilhin. Gusto ko lang na habang natututo kayo, meron din kayong chance na manalo. Hi learners! Welcome back to our channel. Ako nga po pala si Rose. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa ating channel, i-click mo na ang subscribe button, pati na rin ang notification bell para updated ka kung may mga bago tayong upload na video na pwedeng makatulong sa'yo. So in this video, share ko sa inyo yung 4 stages na ginawa ko from earning minimum wage to now earning million pesos a year gamit lang ang aking laptop and cellphone. So I'm gonna break down kung magkano yung kinita ko in every stages of my journey and kung ano yung mga business na sinubukan ko at yung mga key lessons na natutunan ko para makatulong din sa inyo. But before we dive in, I hope hindi nyo ito i-take as negative like I'm bragging or something. Kasi the main reason I am doing this video is because I know kung gaano kahirap yung pakiramdam na parang walang progress dun sa ginagawa mo. So especially yan kung nag-uumpisa ka pa lang dun sa process. And also, I know how hard it is to believe in yourself, especially kung yung mga taong malalapit sa'yo, yung mismong hindi naniniwala sa'yo. So I know this kind of video will help someone to build their confidence and give courage to start. And kaya ko rin ginawa to kasi back then, na-inspire talaga ako sa mga success stories and nakatulong talaga siya nung time na nag-i-struggle ako. So my main goal here is to do the same video na makakatulong sa inyo to see the potential in you and believe that you can do what you want to be. And now, let's start with stage 1 from 0 to 50,000 pesos. So at the early age of 15, nag-work na agad ako sa isang Korean computer cafe wherein I was earning 100 pesos for an 8-hour workday. So yes, sobrang baba talaga ng salary ko that time. Pero tinanggap ko siya because I needed to save funds for my college. So I remember going home without food kasi nga wala kaming pera. And those moments, sobrang hopeless talaga. Pero in those hard times, meron akong natutunan na skills na makakapagbigay sa akin ng millions of pesos. And that is work ethics. So yan yung hindi mo madalas maririnig, pero for me, isa yan sa mga pinaka-importante mong kailangang matutunan habang bata ka pa. Kasi alam nyo ba, one of the biggest parts of your success is to simply just show up even when you don't feel like it. Kaya nagpapasalamat talaga ako na natutunan ko yan kasi with that skill, I was able to save 50,000 pesos from working a minimum wage job. So with that amount, I was able to go back to college and finish my degree. So for me, one of the lesson here is to save as much money as possible. Especially if you want to build a business or you have a goal na makakatulong sa'yo in the future. So kaya kung may trabaho ka ngayon, regardless kung magkano yung sinasahod mo, make sure to work hard not only to develop your work ethic, but also to make and save money to invest in your business. Now for stage 2 of my journey, ito naman yung from 50,000 to 100,000 pesos. So kahit meron na akong good paying job, hindi pa rin yun enough to provide for our family. So breadwinner kasi ako with 5 siblings. So I remember being a working student, crying on my way to work kasi sobrang pagod na ako pero wala akong choice. So yung mother ko naman, I know she's doing her best pero hindi talaga kaya. So ako naman wala akong business experience pero I had a burning desire to earn more to support my family. So that time, tinry ko maging online seller. So nagbenta ako ng mga dress, shoes, makeups, jewelry. So name it, halos lahat na benta ko na. So ginamit ko lahat ng ipon ko pero yun nga, nakakatakot pala talaga maglabas ng hard-earned money mo dun sa product or bagay na hindi mo sure na magkakaroon ka ng return. So after weeks of promoting on Facebook and Instagram, meron namang mga bumili pero hindi niya na-cover yung total cost ng products. So technically, nalugi ako. And then after a few months, I lost all of my savings. I felt so frustrated and worried kasi nag-struggle talaga kami financially. And as the eldest, gusto ko talagang makatulong sa lahat ng bagay. So wala akong mentor, wala rin akong funds, at ayoko na rin magsimula ng panibagong business kasi nga takot na akong malugi ulit. Pero habang employed pa ako noon at bago ako malugi, I also started learning about basic investing. So over time and with consistency, kahit paunti-unti, nakapag-ipon ako at nag-gain ng mga around 100,000 pesos. So combination na nga yan ng salary, savings, and investments. Pero hindi ngayon madali kasi hindi naman laging pataas yung market, pero malaking tulong pa rin yan na meron akong ibang source ng pera na magagamit ko pa rin later on. Pero yun nga, during those failures, yung mga business na hindi nag-work, doon ko naman na-unlock yung ultimate key na makakatulong sa akin later on sa YouTube and affiliate marketing. So this brings me to my second lesson, which is if you want to succeed online, you need to develop skills. So I think kasi the main reason kung bakit nag-fail yung business ko before is that wala akong marketing skills. So back then kasi hindi ko alam kung ano yung tamang product na pipiliin ko, kung paano nagwo-work yung ad, and I also didn't have the right platform to sell my products. So kung ikaw nagpaplano ka mag-business online, kailangan mo munang matutunan yung fundamentals of marketing. So ayan nga yung copywriting, sales, video editing, and graphic design. So yan yung way to make you earn faster on your business. And to tell you the truth, this is the skills that gives me over 500,000 pesos profit in just a few months. So I started with my savings amounting to 100,000 pesos, and that's from doing my 9 to 5 job, investing in stock market, and from online businesses na tinry ko. So at this time, back in 2020, that's pandemic year, I noticed na mas naging popular si YouTube. And there, I saw an opportunity na mag-share ng mga finance knowledge na natutunan ko sa school and from my past experience. So back then kasi I just graduated from college with a finance degree. So ayun nga, na-notice ko na wala masyadong babae na nagsishare ng ganong klaseng content. So ayun nga, from there, I started creating content na makakatulong sa mga tao to earn online. And in just a few months, my YouTube account got more than 100,000 subscribers already. And pati yung mga views, sobrang taas din lahat. So sobrang fulfilling kasi ang daming nagme-message na nakatulong ako sa kanila, na yung video na ginawa ko, nagbigay sa kanila ng ideas on how they can earn extra. And ayun, by doing that, combining YouTube ads revenue plus earning affiliate commissions, nakapag-generate ako ng 500,000 pesos per month at the age of 27. So hindi ko ma-describe yung feeling from no money as in 0 for years to earning 500,000 pesos per month. So feeling ko talaga para akong tumama sa loto. Pero take note, hindi naman laging ganyan every month. So, iba-iba pa rin yan. Taas-baba pa rin yung profit na na-generate ko. So, yun nga, dahil taas-baba siya, na-realize ko na I need more consistent income stream. So, dyan na nga papasok yung last stage of my journey. So, at the age of 28, ni-review ko lahat ng mga income streams na meron ako and chinek ko kung alin dyan yung mga pinaka-stable. So, for sponsorship, nakakapag-earn ako dyan ng $10,000 per month, and YouTube ads naman $5,000 per month. For digital marketing, $5,000 per month. And for coaching naman, that's $3,000 per month. So from there, na-realize ko that digital marketing is a gold mine. So bakit ko nasabi yan? Kasi halos hindi naman ako nag-invest ng time and too much effort. But still, I am making $5,000 per month. So that's roughly around 280,000 pesos. So from there, nag-all-in talaga ako with digital marketing. And na-realize ko na dapat ito pala yung unang business model na tinry ko, especially nung nagsisimula pa lang ako. Kasi alam nyo ba, this is for beginners talaga. And with digital marketing kasi, you can actually do it without having to create your own product. And hindi mo rin kailangan ng malaking puhunan to start, and you don't need to have skills. So you only need to know how to create a viral content and to find the right digital products to sell. So in my case, while doing YouTube for sponsorship, gumagawa rin ako ng mga videos focusing more on building my digital business. And by doing this, it quickly become my biggest income stream. So from earning 500,000 pesos per month, I am now making 1.5 million pesos monthly from digital marketing. So now, I'm sure sasabihin nyo, madali yan para sa akin kasi I have a big following. Pero to tell you the truth, hindi mo kailangan ng malaking following to start with digital marketing. So here kasi, you can actually do it without followers and without showing your face. So actually, marami na akong students na nag-earn ng 5 to 6 digits per month by doing digital marketing. marketing. And take note ha, they are not influencers and they don't have a big following. So now, if you want to know more about this, if you want to learn more about digital marketing, pwede mong i-check yung link sa ating bio. So meron tayong free tutorial about dyan. And ayun, so over the years, inipon ko talaga lahat ng effective strategies and tinuturo ko yan doon sa mga students namin. And again, so if you're interested to join our community, check mo lang yung link sa ating description below. And ayun, so I think that's it for our video today. Hope you like this video and please share this video para marami pa tayong matulungan online. So goodbye for now. See you on my next video.